Hi guys, I am going to show you how to check and clean or renew the front disc brake pad of Apache RTR. This video contains dismantling disc brake pads from the disc brake caliper, checking and cleaning or renewing the brake pads and fitting the brake pads to the caliper. First of all, remove these two screws. Now using the Allen key, just crack open the Allen bolt, which is a guide pin for the brake pads. Now open the two bolts which secures the brake caliper to the motorcycle. Now the brake caliper can be removed. Now take out the guide pin by opening the Allen bolt. The Allen bolt, which is the guide pin, has been taken out. The brake pads are free and can be removed. This diagram shows the wear limit of the brake pad. If there is a groove in the brake pad, then it can be used. Otherwise, if there is no groove, then it should not be used. We have to renew it. Just clean the brake pads. My brake pads are looking good, so I'm going to use the same brake pad only. After cleaning, just keep it in position. Keep the brake pads in position and then put the guide pin through the brake pad. Just put this guide pin through it. Now tighten the guide pin. Attach the brake caliper to the motorcycle. Just lubricate these two bolts and fit into the motorcycle. Fit these two screws also. Thanks for watching.